important to pay attention on the pound dollar that currently is absolutely 50-50. Prepares the ground for what's coming next. We did have the 3 waves up, we did have the ending conditions with the bearish divergence, and unlike the euro, the pound already moves within a range. That's an acceptable way of a correction after the completed cycle. So there is a probability that the pound dollar will break above that zone and from there rallies to above the 140 to complete the weekly cycle. So let's break down both scenarios we want to follow, because the ideal scenario here would still be a completion of this ABCD cycle before the next rally actually takes place. So let's break it down. Similar to the euro dollar, I give it about 60% to the bearish direction. We had a trend line broken here, a retest, 2 waves down, and at the moment for the bearish scenario, here is what I want to see. ABCD with a bearish divergence, higher highs on the chart versus lower highs on the MACD, and then break below the rising trend line and the recent low. If that happens to be this way, that's a great bearish sign for further continuation.